Hi, it's British Cook. Welcome to my British royal wedding, Wimbledon picnic. Hey, welcome to British Cook. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry jam at home. It's really quick, really simple, so easy, you won't believe it. Goes with your clotted cream, with your scones, for your British cream tea. Enjoy this, it's amazing. This jam doesn't require any special equipment at all, doesn't require bottling or sterilisation. It keeps for about a week in the fridge. It takes about 15 minutes to make. It's so good. Best thing you can do though is make it a couple of hours before you make those scones. Delicious. So to make the strawberry jam, you need about 500 grams of strawberries. We're going to take the tops off these, give them a wash, make sure they're nice and clean before we get started. Delicious. Who fancies a strawberry? Just have a quick look at those delicious local British strawberries. I'm going to get these chopped up now into rough pieces. So there we go, 500 grams of roughly chopped British strawberries. Delicious. To go with the strawberries, we need about 100 grams of sugar. This is caster sugar. It's a very fine baking sugar. You can use any kind of sugar if you really want to. That's about half a cup, just over half a cup of sugar in America. So for this recipe, you also need a lemon. So what I tend to do, because you need to clean the lemon off anyway, I tend to just literally pop it in a jar or the container I'm going to put the jam in. I'll just fill it with boiling water. So that cleans off the outside of the lemon. This is an unwaxed lemon. You can have a waxed lemon if you want to, but we're going to be grating this into the jam. Top tip for the strawberries, if you see strawberries reduced, buy them. If they're a little bit overripe, buy them. Perfect for making jam with. Absolutely brilliant. You want them as sugary, sweet, and almost as soft as you can get them. Pop the strawberries into a saucepan and just start to mash them up with a masher here. This is why having extra ripe or very, very ripe strawberries really helps. So 2 or 3 minutes of mashing with a potato masher. Grab yourself a saucer like this. We're going to pop this in the fridge and you'll see why in a minute. Hey, it's British Cook. I'm doing an awesome giveaway for anyone that's watching this right now. All you need to do is like this video and let me know in a comment down below, number 1, how many times I say delicious in this video, and number 2, how many spoons of clotted cream I put on. This giveaway is in addition to my Patreon one and it's open to anyone who's watching this right now. It's gonna be a super secret surprise prize. Try saying that lots of times. So next we're going to grab that 100 grams of sugar, about half a cup of caster sugar, and just pour it in there. Then we're going to stir it all together and we're going to let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. Just to be clear, there's no heat on this point. We're just going to mix that sugar in with there and we're going to let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. With the lemon, I finally grated about half of one side of it, which is there. I'm going to pop that into there. And I've also squeezed about 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice out of that lemon as well. If your lemon's really sharp, maybe a little bit less, just pop that in there and then let's get the heat on. And you want to get that onto a really nice high heat. We need to stay with it and keep stirring it so it doesn't stick. So it's starting to smell absolutely gorgeous, a lovely sweet fragrant strawberry flavour. Just make sure to keep stirring it so you don't end up with strawberry toffee and not strawberry jam. As it boils, you see a foam come up on top of it. Just remove that with a spoon and put it somewhere you can throw it away later. It's no good, it's not what you want. The more of it you can get rid of, the better. Hopefully now you can see that starting to really thicken up a bit and the colour's completely changed. Did I say saucepan? I meant saucer, sorry. Grab a little bit of that, pop it on there. Give it a minute and see what you've got. Look at that, isn't that amazing? That is real strawberry jam, so strong and so rich as well. What I'm going to do is let that cool down for a moment, just a minute or two. I'm going to preheat the glass jar with some boiling water, just so it doesn't crack when I put that in. And this is a saucer. It's set as soon as it hit that. That's how you know you've got a jam. It's absolutely delicious. Let me just show you that. Excuse the hands-free, I've just lost another tripod. That's a funny story. Okay, so this jam, just let it sit there with the top off and cool down properly. When it's cooled down, put the lid on and put it in the fridge. Enjoy it within 1 week. It won't last that long, it will last about 2 days maximum. Enjoy. It's amazing to be able to make your own clotted cream at home. Just give this a go. Look at this. Delicious, thick Cornish clotted cream. Amazing. If you want to make that at home, follow the link that's coming up right now. So what's better than a good Cornish scone, a bit of homemade jam, strawberry jam, I made that earlier, delicious. Jam first as always. And here comes the bit that really makes my mouth water. Homemade clotted cream. Look at that. Look at that crust. Straight on top of there. That is what you call a scone, clotted cream and jam.